Our teacher, Miss C, transformed our whole science room into a cell. For example, the balls were ribosomes, the nucleus were hula hoops, and the googly apparatus was cardboard cutouts. She also had us do a scavenger hunt where you had to match up the number with a letter and then decode a message, and it had a did you know fact.
Oh, okay, so do we just swap it then? Do we just swap it?
After we learned about cells, a way that we could show our work was either stop motion or a model. We chose stop motion because we wanted to show kids how fun learning about cells is. And I really like this project because we got to use technology, we got to do art, and we got to move around the room a lot. And here's our stop motion.